Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video we will be ceramic coating all the glass on this fantastic Princess S62. This means the shower screens, mirrors and all external glass will get coated. The result will be surfaces that repel water and are easy to clean. So let's go inside the boat to see what we're dealing with. Here we have two heads on this boat, one being the ensuite to the master cabin and the other is the main day heads that is also an ensuite to the forward cabin. As you can see, we have large shower screens, mirrors and mirrored splashbacks. We will be using CERAMICPRO glass for this application. We've been using this brand for years now and we've seen it firsthand perform the task it's supposed to do, and we've also seen it being very durable, using it in marine, automotive and domestic applications. Firstly, these surfaces need to be thoroughly cleaned so that the coating isn't applied on top of any contaminants that may compromise the performance of the coating. Once we switch on our detailing lights, we can see all the dirt and grime that needs to be cleaned before we begin. So starting with the mirror, we will coat one side and perform a demonstration of the coating. Wow! As you can see, the coated side is hydrophobic and the untreated side is not. This means any water or moisture, clean or dirty, will not stick to the surface, making cleaning easier and less frequent. We'll get the other surfaces coated before heading outside. These large hull windows give tremendous light to the master cabin, but once dirty can be a real eyesore from the inside and the out. Coating them will make salt spray run off easier and cleaning them a doddle. Same treatment on the superstructure windows and the flybridge windscreen. Now the job is complete, and although you wouldn't think a surface like glass could be shinier, it really is. Just look fantastic and is a practical upgrade for any boat.